Mastering the art of stick the landing, a key to success in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and very visual phrase in the English language, stick the landing. This expression is not only vivid in its imagery but also rich in its application. Whether you're an English language learner aiming to expand your vocabulary or someone intrigued by colorful expressions, this video is crafted for you. Let's unravel the layers of meaning behind stick the landing and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, stick the landing, has its roots in the world of gymnastics. In gymnastics, sticking the landing means to land perfectly without moving, stumbling, or falling after completing a jump, flip, or any aerial maneuver. It's a moment of flawless execution, showcasing precision, control, and grace. The gymnast lands, remains motionless for a brief moment, and demonstrates that they have full control over their movement, making it a critical factor in scoring. Beyond the gymnastics floor, stick the landing has leapt into everyday language as a powerful metaphor. It signifies completing a task with precision and excellence, especially after a complex or difficult process. When someone says they stuck the landing, they're expressing that they've accomplished something noteworthy, not just finishing it but doing so with finesse and perfection. For example, if you've worked on a challenging project at work and delivered a flawless presentation, a colleague might say, "You really stuck the landing on that one." It's a compliment indicating you've not only met expectations but exceeded them. Incorporating stick the landing into your vocabulary can add a layer of dynamism and vividness to your conversations. Here are a few tips on how to use it. 1. Achievements and successes. Use the phrase when talking about completing something successfully, especially if it involved overcoming challenges. 2. Encouragement and praise. It's a great way to encourage someone or acknowledge their success. Saying someone stuck the landing is acknowledging their hard work and skill. 3. Self-reflection. You can also use it to self-reflect on your own achievements. For example, after successfully finishing a difficult task, you might say to yourself, "I really stuck the landing on that one." Remember, the power of the phrase lies in its imagery. It's not just about finishing. It's about finishing with style, precision, and excellence. Stick the landing is more than just a phrase. It's a testament to skill, precision, and a job well done. Whether you're navigating the complexities of the English language or aiming to express your accomplishments with a bit more flair, understanding and using this expression can add a vibrant layer to your communications. We hope this video has illuminated the beauty and utility of stick the landing for you. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and maybe, just like a seasoned gymnast, you'll stick the landing in your next English conversation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.